Alright, day number 7. Logically, the next room is this library, and I'm just gonna pass it by today. The reason being is because I can. So I got to tackle it sometime. So I'm going to do the laundry room because one, it's a mess and it needs to be done. Plus, I really need to do inventory for hurricane supplies because it is hurricane season, and I've been meaning to do that to get a jump ahead, so I'm not rushing to the store this year. And there is a hurricane, but I think it's going to fizzle out. It is, yeah, way in the tropics somewhere, and it's, what's it called, Beryl, or I don't know. I think they said it's already slowing down. So I need to clean out all these cabinets and stuff. This is, hubby's been decluttering his office. So these are boxes from that. And I know it's garbage, but you know what? It's still clutter. It's, you know, boxes need to recycle. These are bags that need to go back to the grocery store. And egg cartons to be recycled. Yeah, it's still clutter. It doesn't matter if it's garbage or not. It's still clutter. So, yeah, I need to go in through all these cabinets. I'm sure there's some stuff I can purge there. And this is where I keep my hurricane supplies, and it's a mess. A little bit of a mess. And I just got a Target order, online Target order. I've been ordering from Target lately, and that has working well. So I have to find a place for some hurricane stuff under here. So yeah, let me, I don't know how I'm going to. And I liked what Sophia said today too. I don't know about how decluttering is not just about getting rid of stuff. It's about putting stuff back where it belongs, relocating it. So I don't know about you, but my laundry room tends to be a catch-all. Obviously, hubby brought stuff downstairs and just put them here. Yeah. So this is garden stuff, and this is paint that needs to go in the garage. That needs to go in the garage for when Gary comes over for Fix It Friday, so he can install that. All right, this is going in the truck so I can take it to Publix. I might go to Publix later today, so it's gonna go in the truck. All right, got this surface cleaned off. So jugs for hurricane. So I think I'm gonna recycle these because I'm not filling these up with potable water, I guess, because I'll have to buy bottled water, which I am low on, and stock up at that. I'm going to go to Aldi's and get some cases of water and all that sometime this week. And so this is dual duty hurricane prep anyway, and decluttering. So I'm just going to keep these. The reason I have these is because I fill these with water, and the reason I can't use my sink water to drink is because I have a salt softener, and that is not drinkable water. You shouldn't drink that. You could get a kidney stone from drinking that anyway. And I don't unless you have a reverse osmosis. I've mentioned it before, but I know I have a lot of new subscribers. Unless you have a reverse osmosis system on your faucet, then you really shouldn't drink that water. So that's why we buy bottled water. So what I'm going to do is fill these up with water, and if a hurricane's coming, I'm going to stick them in the freezer so that it will keep our stuff in the freezer cold throughout the time that we're out of electricity. The last time we had a hurricane, we're out for 11 days, and that saved us, really. We're using the bottom drawer of the refrigerator, the freezer, like a cooler. Is pretty much. And I actually stuck some of these in the refrigerator too, to keep the refrigerator cold for at least a couple days anyway. So it worked fine. The stuff was cold through the 11 days that we had no electricity. So those are going to recycle. Okay, under here. Okay, under here I have kitty litter because our cats do not use the litter box. but during a hurricane, obviously they're going to be trapped inside. So I do have some kitty litter. I used to keep this in the garage, but the humidity got to the box, so, and the box kind of fell apart. And the same thing with so I recently bought a new kitty litter tray because it was old and it was getting cracked and stuff. So I bought that. In here is stuff from last time it was a hurricane. Because sometimes I buy stuff that I wouldn't normally eat. I don't know why. Because I do. On a regular basis. So I want to stock this up so that we don't use it. So when the hurricane comes, I know I have it. And then I don't have to keep restocking and restocking. And so, yeah. So let me go through this and see what's expired. I know this is new. And under here, I have things like garbage bags. I probably could take those out. Put those over here. I have candles. Alright, I forgot I had this. And I was keeping it for hurricane supplies. But you know what? The cats won't eat this. So I'm going to take this to the Humane Society along with those pillows that I decluttered. Because a bunch of you, thank you very much for suggesting that. I'm going to call the Humane Society and make sure that they will take the pillows. So hopefully, you know, I'm a procrastinator and I'll actually get to that. So I'm going to declutter this. Okay, so that's all cleaned up. That food is not expired. I have the water bottles. Can you see? Way in the back. There's not any water in them. I'll fill them up when the time comes. So, yeah. So I have some food in the kitchen from the Target haul. Hurricane food. That I need to put in here. So yeah, I don't really have that much actually. Some of it was regular stock up, like cat food. I was gonna put all the cat food in the kitchen, but I'm gonna put at least these two. So I know if I run out, I need to stock back the regular stuff in the kitchen, but I will always have this enough for like 2 weeks of stuff on hand. Yeah. I guess I must have another order still that's coming, maybe next week, because I have stuff like rice. This is not rice, but you know, that you can just open up and not have to cook. And of course, you know, you can't be without chocolate chips during a hurricane, so those are going in here too. Alright, that's done for now. I need to make a list to stock up on stuff that I need. Yeah. That's for another video. Oh, and my mop bucket. Stuff fits under there, so that's good. So I cleared up my nasty sink. I don't know how to clean that. Yeah. Alright, this is hurricane stuff too, because it's batteries. So I need to clean this up a little bit. The new cat litter thing came with a scooper, so I don't need that anymore. Yeah, I need to stock up on the AAA batteries and D batteries. I think these are D. This is all the D batteries I have. Yeah, so, you know, I'm not decluttering all these. These are AA, AAAs, my flashlights. Not sure why these are here. Utility knife. And I have a few cat food supplies in there, so yeah, and glue. I don't know why the super glue is in here. I wonder if I should put that in my, no, you know what, I'll just leave it in there because the kids go in the drawers in the craft room and I don't want them touching the super glue, so yeah, that can go on the workbench. I'm going to put that on the workbench too. I don't need that here. I have a drawer actually on the workbench that says utility knife. So maybe I have a bin of cat supplies. Maybe I should put that there. Alright, this drawer. These are puck lights. I don't know. I'm not currently using, yeah, that one is trash. We have a landline, but we're not currently using it, but I'm going to keep the phone. That works. Let me check to see if these work. Good, and I'm going to relocate that stuff. Electronics. I have a drawer for electronics. Okay, in here, I don't even know if that's the stuff that's in here with these labels. So, yeah. Extra decor items, picnic stuff, coolers. I don't know. Alright, some of this stuff I bought from Dollar Tree, and these are falling apart, so they're garbage. I guess I can't decide whether to get rid of these or not. I really haven't used them, but that's because they were in here. So, and then this is going with the mason jars, and I'm going to put this whole lot in here. I can get rid of this. What am I going to do with that? I don't know. It used to have some lettering on it because it was an award I got when I worked at daycare, but I don't know. I don't need it. You know what? I don't need this stuff. I'm gonna get rid of it. It's from the Dollar Tree. I did it for a video, and then I really haven't never used it because I said it was on the patio, and really I can't leave it set up because it gets dirty. Yes, I can't even leave a tablecloth on the patio outside because of the mildew and stuff. But I am going to because the tablecloth will get mildewy. So unless it's a plastic one, so I am going to keep these 2 cups. So yeah, now it's supplies and stuff. So yeah, I got soap, I got bottles. This is empty. I'm just going to clean it out and then show you when I'm done what I'm getting rid of. Yeah. Okay, I just have some, that is not what's in here. I'm not sure what's in there, but apparently I'm keeping it. This is the Clean Murphy's Oil Soap, and this is what I use on my floors. And there's an extra, I think that's toilet roll cleaner, hand soap. This is furniture, cushions cleaner. These are like Mr. Clean, the magic eraser thing. There's nothing in here, nothing in here. And these are lint brushes, 2 microfiber cloths, and Swiffer things. And then these, I'm going to put this with my cleaning caddy. And I'm getting rid of this because these were covers to this Bath & Body Works soap. And I really like them, but look what happened. They get wet because you're using them, and then it rusts, so they're going bye-bye, and then all this is empty. So that is recyclable. Okay, in here is light bulbs. There's light bulbs there. This is an extra hose for the washer or dryer or something. I don't know. And then this is just, I don't know, appliance paperwork, household manuals and stuff. Yeah. And I did get rid of some packaging, so I gotta recycle that. Alright, and then look at this ridiculousness. Apparently I am a bottle holder. So yeah, there's like a drop and everything here. So I'm keeping 3 bottles because I just like the size of those. And I might use them for something, but I don't know. Wait, there's something in that. There's something in that. Oh, it's ridiculousness. Well, let me combine the something littles and then get rid of the rest. I don't need all these empty bottles that I might use. No, gonna disease. Okay, and then these are empty. So all those are empty. I combined. I was only gonna keep 2, but this, I don't want to combine the lavender and the this is the apple cider, so I don't want to combine that. Sometimes I use this to refresh my laundry with if it's been in there. Yeah, it works. So, and I don't know. I gotta find a way. What do you do with used batteries? How do you dispose of those? I've always wondered that. I think I end up throwing them in the garbage, and I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. So, I'm going to recycle. Okay, done. So all that's recycle, garbage, and this is not the basket. This stuff is donate. So that's it for day number 7. Okay, the other thing that needs to be addressed in this laundry room, all that other stuff is all organized. This is where I keep water, my tool bag, towels. This is to be fixed bin. Yeah. These are, I'll just show you before I show you what else needs to be done. So these are spare or old towels that I keep here for spills because people in this house, who should be named, have been famous for using the good towels to clean up yucky spills. Yes. And I keep water bottles in here, and these are just extra beach towels and decor. And yeah, the laundry room needs made over a little bit, so I might be painting in here. I'm not sure. So here's the other thing that needs to be addressed. And you guys were asking what my Monica closet was. You didn't know what a Monica closet? Yeah, this is my Monica closet. Actually, it's not. Let's see if I could turn some lights on. It's not as bad as you think, actually. Really. Yeah. So it needs to be addressed, but I'm not doing that in this video. I'll do another video. So where the Monica closet comes from is an episode of Friends where Monica, who's a super neat freak, opens this closet and it is jam-packed full of crap. So, yeah, so that needs to be addressed. What do I have? I already see something that I could take out of there. Tablecloths that can go back under here. I have my vacuum stuff in here and decor that won't fit anywhere else. This is a AC vent. Anyway, whatever. And then that's a seal to the washing machine that needs replaced. Haven't got around to it because I'm a procrastinator. Yes, I am. Procrastinators unite. Yes. Anyway, raise your hand if you're a procrastinator. All right, that's it for day 7. This is another day. Okay, I'm happy that this got all organized, and now I can concentrate on thinking about what other hurricane supplies I need. I know I need water. I need D batteries, AAA batteries, and some more canned food. And yeah, I'll be making a list for another video or not. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I'm not combining another day because the video is long enough. Guess this one took me a while. And make sure you check out the playlist below, everybody who's participating in this 30 bags in 30 days. And it's not too late to jump in. Don't worry about starting from day 1. Just start from day number 8 and move on. Don't worry about days 1 through 3. Don't try to play catch up. Just jump in. Jump in, add your video to the playlist. Oh, also, and follow me on Facebook. I'm calling you out, people. You said that there was like 10 of you that said you were going to do this challenge with me on Facebook and post your pictures, and you haven't been doing that. So, make sure you do that, and I will put the link down below, but you can just find me on Facebook at My Everyday Wife Life, on Instagram at My Everyday Wife Life, on Pinterest at My Everyday Wife Life, and yeah, I actually have a blog, but I haven't used that in a really long time at My Everyday Wife Life. .blogspot.com. .blogspot. I don't know. I don't check it out. I don't even know why I mentioned it. I don't even use it. Anyway, that's it, guys. Enjoy your day. I'll see you again.